Emery. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Let's go. All that, I thought I was taping. I wasn't taping. Hi. Hi. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, come on. Let's get you in the kitchen, huh? Do you want to get in the kitchen? Oh, with Noms? With Noms? Come on, Emery. Good boy. What are you doing? Hi. Oh, that was awkward and weird. Hey, buddy. No, huh? Oh. Come on, bud. Can you get up? Oh, I see. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Come try it, Mama. You all are going to be on tape, so. Come on, Emery. Bye-bye. What are you doing? Get up. Thank you. Very good boy. All right. Joey, I need you to call him so I can see the back of his legs.
Emery, what are you doing? What are you doing?
That didn't work.
What are you doing, Billy? What are you doing?
Yeah, he's coming out of it now. What are you doing?
Getting better now.
Yeah, he's just coming out.